Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply log out of WhatsApp in few simple steps. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. So as you know, there is no direct option given by WhatsApp to log out of it. Even if you will open WhatsApp and if you will go to the settings section, you will find out that there is no option given to log out under accounts or privacy section. You will only get one option to delete your account, but that is not something you are looking for. Now to log out of WhatsApp, what you have to do is you just have to open the settings app on your mobile device. Go to the settings section and then you have to go to the accounts section, that is right here. From here you have to simply tap manage accounts, and here you will see a list of all your accounts that you are using currently on your mobile device. Now simply you have to tap WhatsApp, and then here you will get the option to remove account. So using this option you can simply log out of WhatsApp, but keep in mind that this will delete all your data. Alright, now if you don't want to lose your data, make sure to create a backup before you press this button, so that even if you want to log in again to your WhatsApp, you will get all the chats intact. Alright, so if you don't want to lose your chats or your group chats, you simply have to create a backup first, and then you can remove your account, and then you can log in again to your WhatsApp and you will get all the chats back by restoring them. So that's all you need to do to simply log out of your WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as more useful and interesting videos are coming up for you. And for more tech related content, you can visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where you will find a lot of troubleshooting articles. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.